You know that one cupboard in the kitchen that just doesn't close properly? Bit of a lift, bit of a nudge, then you've got it working. That's most audit platforms. Familiar chaos that you've just learned to live with. They're desktop based and in most cases haven't been updated in decades. They've just failed to keep up with the times. Inflo's Working Papers is built differently. It handles the day-to-day workload as it should. Less friction, fewer workarounds, and more clarity from the start. When you open Inflo Working Papers, the first thing you notice is just how different it is to traditional platforms. It is colourful, modern, vibrant, and you just know where to click to go next. The workflow is embedded within it. You'll find yourself typing a lot less. No longer just kind of put words down for the sake of it. You've got the structure of the methodology, you've got the predetermined responses, you're layering on your thoughts on top of that, not just getting volume written down. Working Papers is a modern, cloud-native solution. It's built to replace the legacy desktop chaos with an experience that is faster, smarter, and more aligned to modern auditor expectations. No more tab hopping between spreadsheets and half-broken templates, just everything in one clean, connected space. It's designed for the whole audit team, from graduates who are deep in the detail to the engagement leaders who need the high-level overview and to get to the key details quickly. And it scales effortlessly, from auditing a small local business right through to a large, complex, multinational group that just never seems to end. This isn't just a newer version of the same old system. It's a smarter, more structured way to build your audit file, with compliance built in, not just bolted on. Auditors spend most of their day inside the audit file, so we built one they actually want to use. And it goes without saying that an auditor that actually enjoys what they're doing is going to take the time and the effort to do a much better job. So what's it actually like to work in? Start with a trial balance. Upload it, map it, done. Lead schedules and reconciliations generate automatically. No one likes going into a file and seeing different versions and you think you've got it done, or you're chasing someone for work that's outstanding and they go, oh, it's a different version or it didn't save. By having everyone working on the live version on the cloud at all times, none of those version control issues happen. As the audit progresses, the file adapts. You start lean with only what you need. Then the platform intelligently surfaces the relevant procedures as the engagement calls for it. Less noise, less admin, more time for professional judgment, and space to stop, think, and do things properly. Everyone works from the same version, in the same place, at the same time. And when it comes to methodology, you're not locked in. Choose to use Info's content packs, take a copy and tailor it, or build your own from scratch. Content, workflows, templates, these are all configurable. So your methodology fits your team and not the other way around. And importantly, that flexibility doesn't come at the expense of consistency. It complements it, giving you full control over what the standard is, and still allowing room for nuance, edge cases, and firm-specific needs. Inside the file, there's integrated data analytics that cut through the noise. It helps teams to assess risk faster, plan smarter, and ditch those dusty, disconnected workarounds. This isn't just a tool that ticks boxes, it's a platform that genuinely makes life easier. For audit staff, it feels fast, modern, and enjoyable. For managers, it provides real oversight and reduces the need to redo work and chase down nasty surprises later. For partners, it offers a more clear view of all the key aspects and how the audit is progressing without having to be elbow deep in the file. And for firms, it's a platform that grows with you. Small engagements, huge engagements. One setup, scaled to fit. And with Inflo Working Papers, you get audit files that are consistent, compliant, collaborative, and built to handle real work every day. If you're still bending broken processes into shape, there's a better way. Book a demo today to see how Inflo Working Papers can make your audit file finally work the way it should.